Hi guys. So in social studies, we have been talking about maps. And yesterday, you got to draw a map of a room in your house. Most likely it was your bedroom. Today's map lesson, you are going to listen to a story called The Treasure Map, and then you are going to draw your own treasure map. Now, before you do that, hopefully you have watched this video because there's a couple things on your treasure map that I want you to add. So one of the things that maps have are called a map key. So I'm going to show you this right here. Hopefully you can see this. This is called a map key. Map key tells you what pictures are so that you don't have to write it on your map. So in this map, you have two sections. This is the map. So if I look at that map, nothing is really written in. I see that's a tree, there's a star, there's a couple of dots, there's these lines on here, and there's a building, and there's a baseball and bat. So this is going to tell you kind of what the map key tells me what those are. So if I look over here and I look at this one, it says a university. University is like a school. So right here, that means that's the university or school. I don't have to write it in there because it's up here in the map key. If you see the baseball and the ball, that means it's a baseball field. So I didn't have to draw a field. I don't have to write baseball field here. I already know what it is. The trees, where you see a tree is a park. So where the city is, basically all those trees are parks. The star is the capital, which is the capital city, where the people would live, and then the little dots are cities. So if you can see, there's lots of cities, but only one capital. If we in Pennsylvania, when we talk about the capital, we talk about Harrisburg. So what you are going to do today is you are going to make a treasure map. So you're going to hide a treasure somewhere in your house, and you are going to draw a map to find it. So the only thing you have to do is draw that map, but I want you to add a map key so that onto the side of the paper so that you know what your symbols mean. So if I was going to draw a map and I was going to hide something, so I'm going to draw a map and I'm going to hide something, I would maybe have my map key over here and I would write map key. And then I would say, if I was going to do it in my living room, I'm sorry, no, in my dining room, and I have, let's see, I'll show you quick my dining room. So I have my table, and I have a hutch, and I have my teaching stuff, and I have some chairs. So I might do this, and I might say that is my table, and that's my chair. And then I might do this for my desk. And then that will be my hutch. So that way, that's my map key. That tells me everything that's in my dining room. This would be my map, and maybe I would say I would put my table. Let's do it this way. My table this way. And then I would put a couple chairs. And then I would put my hutch. And then I would put my desk. And maybe I would say, okay, I'm going to put this, my X marks the spot. That would be I'd change my color, put X marks the spot. That's where the treasure was. And then I might say you'd have to come over here from the room and go around and find it that way. But this way you can look for your treasure and you can use a map key so that you don't have to write everything in here, and somebody can come into your, if you would give your map to somebody in your family, they would be able to find your treasure. All right, guys, good luck. I want you to try as hard as you can to do that. Do your best, be creative, add as much stuff as you can in it, and see what you can do, okay? I know that you guys can do this. I know it is fun. You can get help from somebody in your family. It'll be a good activity for all of you guys to do. All right, guys, have fun and enjoy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.